Today, GISCAD Limited, a geospatial engineering company from Trinidad, launched a partnership with the local company Network Services and Solutions Limited with a seminar at the Biltmore Plaza. GISCAD is encouraging local consumers to tap into its geographic information system solutions for data, hardware, software, and implementation services relevant to the engineering sector. According to project coordinator Amari Shaw, the idea is really to simplify workflows, improve efficiency for companies, and in turn saving money given the current economic condition within the region.
We're going to be offering both products and services, everything that's going to come from engineering and design, geospatial engineering, design, planning. We even offer a lot of fleet management solutions and applications, and then we have a lot of business solutions that are applicable to some of the distributors and some of the commercial side of the country. So it's not only engineering and design work, it's also a lot of business solutions in there as well. I know that a lot of people have a lot of concerns, especially as it pertains to the follow-up service, the customer service and the support that they will be getting in Belize. And I just want to assure them that we have NSSL set up here. They're going to be offering all of the services, from everything from training, come right down to our drone services that you guys are going to be able to see today.
The seminar saw representatives from both public and private sector companies, particularly engineers from agriculture, fisheries, as well as lines distribution agencies such as the Belize Water Services Limited and Belize Telemedia Limited.
Presently, BTL is using geospatial for the past, I think, about 10 years. GPSing and what's not, and we got our data for expansion countrywide, and as well for existing customer base, and we do our new design network based off of that. As you would say, having new vendors coming in and coming to these seminars and see what they offer is like a boost for us, so that we could see what we have missed previously and try to compile this with the new ones and see what is best for the company. The data that we gather out there, we compile it in a network software, and it is better managed in a sense that if a customer has a fault or something like that, we could easily identify that customer, and the tracking team would go there, or the fault section will go there and do the repairs immediately. So it would cut down time for these customers, the delay time as in the past as how we're having, and the faults could be fixed immediately.
Cisco Constructions Limited has been contracted for many of the road works in the city and on the highways. Civil engineer Raina Riverol says that the technology can assist them with surveying and to ensure that data collection is accurate to planned projects.
We are here just to learn of the services that they are offering, especially when it comes to the tracking of our mobiles, our equipment, and our vehicles, right? This first presentation that was done with the SCI and the fuel shield, right, which is of our interest because we have a mobile fuel truck and we have to ensure that we keep track of the fuel usage out on site and that our fuel truck is actually on site. Right? So we do make use of that, of the GPS tracking on our equipment, but and we just were interested in seeing what more they can offer for us, right, to ensure that we have that under control. However, my interest as an engineer is the presentations that are coming up next, which are the Trimble on our equipment, surveying equipment, right, and the AutoDesk, which is the 3D, the drawings in 3D that will come on later on, right? And we want to see how detailed they will come on that and how much use we can make on our company.
But with the introduction of these products and services, will technology replace human resources?
The technology is actually built in such a way that it's very modular. So you can do it, maybe if you have a two-man team, you can have it done with 2 men, right? But in the way that you would have to set it up in Belize or any area that has a large area to cover, you're definitely going to need your same workforce. What it's going to do is it's going to cut back on the amount of time. So it improves that time, that efficiency. You don't want to spend an entire week doing one job. If I can do it in 2 days, if I can do it in 1 day, that is really the aim of this product. So, in times where we may have taken 6 months to complete projects, in terms of lands and surveys, or in terms of engineering projects, you now have the ability to come in and get it done in a week, 2 weeks.
Duane, Moody for News 5.